Hello guys, this is Victor Amodio and this is my certificate automation project, one of the capstone projects. So here's my certificate MS Word template. So I've edited some text here, like the name of the course and the supposedly finished completion date for the course. So then I went ahead to make some settings. Here, going to options here, customize ribbon. By default, the developer tab here is disabled, so I had to enable this, I had to activate this. And then this is the only text I need to be changing on this certificate template full name. So go ahead and highlight this, then go to this plain text control here, click on this, turns this to a tag, and then go to the properties and rename this title and tag to full name. Okay, and that's it. And then save these and upload this in my SharePoint library. So that's all for the template. So going back here, this is my form for the participant to give their full names and email address. And here, this is the SharePoint library to record the information, just using the full name and email address. And here's my flow. So I'm just gonna walk you through the flow real quick. So here we have this when a new response is submitted on the form, and this is the form ID. New response is submitted, then get response from the form ID, response ID, using the dynamic contact, get the response ID, that, and use that to create an item in SharePoint list. And this is the list name, UX UI for beginner certification. So when I'm using the full name and email address, so I have that, then use that to populate Microsoft Word template, which is the certificate. So this certificate here in my document library, just the full name. So the completion date, I set that by default to this. So this is the last day for the submission of this project. So that's by default. So this doesn't change. It's just the name that what will be changing with each participant that takes the course. So having that, went ahead to create a file on Drive. The file name would be the name of the participant, and then the extension dot, because to have it in a Word template, and then the body will be the file content of the Word template, which is the certificate. So having that, went ahead to convert the Word into PDF. This ID is getting from there using dynamic content to create file. So convert it to PDF, and then from there send an email to the participant. So the email address is gotten from the form, the full name too, and then some text for the body of the email. And then down here we have the file name, which is the name of the attachment. It's PDF, which will take the name of the participant, and here the body here is which would be the body, was the the attachment content. So having all that, then I added this next step here to delete the PDF after sending it the certificate. So we don't want to have that saved for each student, so we just automatically delete after sending the email. So yes, that's all about the flow. Now go ahead to test this flow in real life, in real time, sorry. So test, manually test. So now I'll go back to my form. I'll just refresh this real quick. So full name, okay. Just I'm gonna delete this. So delete this too. So okay, full name, just use Chinyere. Email address, I'll use my Microsoft email address. Okay, the float's waiting for the form, so let's go. That's it, form submitted. Here's my flow, it's running. Completed, okay. Here, refresh this. Here it is. Okay, so and here's the email. Let's see. Dear Chinyere, thank you for taking the course. Please find attached your certificate of completion for the course. Yes, it is. So here's the PDF certificate. So click on it. So let's see if we have the name, and there it is. We have it. Scroll down, the date. So yeah, that's how you go ahead to automate the certificate of participation, certificate of completion, using the form and Power Automate together to achieve this. So that it's looking really good. So that's it about this certificate automation. So thank you guys for watching.